I have 4 unfinished cubes. You could find these at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start by gluing them together. Early on in the project, I wasn't sure exactly how I was going to do this, so I just started by gluing 3 of them together. 2 on the left and 1 on the bottom right. And then I painted the entire thing using Wise Owl Antique Villa paint. You could pick any color that matches your home decor. This is going to be super simple, but it's such a cute, inexpensive idea. Then I'm going to take the individual cube and paint the entire thing in Antique Villa as well. I have this box. Now you could use any box of your choice. You can even use a plaque. It does not have to be a box. And I painted that in Wise Owl chocolate. I did spray a little bit of water on it to give it more of a stained look rather than full coverage with the paint. I have all these little wood pieces. I tried picking different seasonal items. Now you can make as many of these as you want. My original plan, I started with 6 because there's 6 sides on the cube. But I did kind of change that plan, so you could really paint as many of these as you want. You could get pre-painted pieces. It's totally optional. So here I have a tree, a shell, a pumpkin, a carrot, some stars, and I also painted a flower. And then I took 3 letters, H, M, and E, and I painted those in Wise Owl black. Once everything is dry, I'm going to glue my letters down on the 3 cubes that we originally glued together, starting with the H at the top, the M below it, and the E to the right of the M. So at this point, I decided, you know what, I'm just going to glue that 4th cube into the missing spot. Originally, I was going to have it so the cube can just be moved onto the season that you want to show. But at this point, I decided to just glue all 4 cubes together, add glue to the back side of all the cubes, and glue it into the wooden box that we painted. I have these very small magnets. They're a stronghold magnet. I got them off Amazon, and I glued that into the center of the blank cube. And then I took a ribbon of my choice. This is what matches my home decor. And I'm just going to make a very simple bow. I'm going to glue the 2 ends of the ribbon together and then take a piece of jute and tie it in the center of the loop. And then I'm going to cut the extra jute off and fluff up each end of my bow. Once I was happy with that, I'm actually going to glue it on top of the box. You can even glue it off to the side, really, wherever you're happy. And then I added a magnet onto each of those pieces that we painted. And now you can interchange out the O based on the season or holiday. And I just think this came out adorable. I really hope you enjoyed it. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, and wood cutouts can all be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.